In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google form. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, head over to your Chrome browser. This is our Chrome browser. So I would click on these dotted icons. I would scroll down slightly. You can see this. This is the forms. I would click on these forms. I'll wait for it to open. So I've clicked on these forms. What I need to click now, you can see from these options, you can see lots of forms you can edit, right? You can edit this contact info, this party invite, t-shirt sign up. So I'm going to create a new Google form right now. So what I need to do, I'll click on this blank form. So at first, will be displayed with some options. So what I need to do, I need to create a Google form for this YouTube channel. I'll be dropping the link of this Google form in this video description so you can fill it out. Share your thoughts below so as I would receive your response, right? So what I need to do, I'll come on here, change this to how to, I'll change this to how to edu YouTube form, right? So this is basically a test form. I'll be attaching this link form in this video description. So I'll come on here, untitled question. At first, I'll ask name. Then I'll click on this short answer, right? Then once I've done this, you would click on this add question. So I want to add a new question right now. So I'll come on here, email address. So once I'm done with this email address, it would still be a short answer, right? Then I would click on this add question again. I'll scroll down. I'll come on here. Do you enjoy how to edu videos, right? So I'll click on this multiple choice option 1, yes. I'll add another option. This is gonna be no, right? Yeah, so this is gonna be no. So no options again. I'll cancel this. Yeah, so this is it. So how to edu YouTube form, a short test G form. So this is it, a short test Google form. So what I need to do now, once I'm done with this, I'll come on here, I'll click on this customize theme, right? So I want to customize this our Google form. Then I'll click on this header, this choose image. So from here would be displayed with some options of the kind of image we want to be at this Google form header, right? So I'll click on this. Okay, let me say work and school. I'll click on this one. This is cool, right? So I'll insert this. So yeah, it will be displayed on here. So once I'm done with this, this is how our Google form looks like or look like. So I can still change the color of this form. I can come on here, change this to blue. So this is it. You can come on here and change it to any desired color you want. So how to do YouTube form, a short test G form, name, email address. Do you enjoy how to do videos? So once I'm done with this, I want to send this Google form. I want to share it. So you would click on this send. Once I've clicked on this send, you can share this via email address. You can share this via link. Once I'm done with this now, I'll copy this link, right? I can still shorten this link. So this is it. I've shortened this link. So if I copy this, I'll be attaching this in this video description. So ensure you fill it out. This is basically a test form. So you can choose anyone you want to choose. It can be this, it can be this. So yeah, this is it. So I'll copy this. I'll be attaching this link in this video description. So collect email addresses. Responder inputs. Yeah, so this is it. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can create a Google form. If you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll be attaching this Google form link in this video description for you guys to fill it up and give me your feedbacks, right? So once you guys have filled this up, I'll be receiving your responses on here. Waiting for responses, 0 responses. So ensure you be amongst the first people to fill out this form. I'll be giving something to the first 10 people to fill out this form. See you guys in the next one.